But I'd like to now take this opportunity to call up on stage an amazing lady, amazing entrepreneur who got to meet about 16 months ago, if I'm not mistaken, who won the pitch, Mlazi, when we hosted it, Max's Lifestyle. Very excited about this lady. I mean, she's really evolved. The products look amazing. They look beautiful. You know, as she's talking, you are going to want to go onto her Instagram and follow them and check the products. Beautiful products. But Zethu Nyali is the founder and CEO of an award-winning company, Zee Organics Clinic and ZeeOrganics Academy and ZeeOrganics Foundation. She's a philanthropist, a livestock farmer. Hey, livestock farmer. Hey, wow, that's amazing, eh? And also a 4-time pitch winning champion. So you see, if you've got questions around pitching and winning, here, it's solved. So when we do the networking, here's the person you ask to, but 4-time pitch winning champion. By profession, she's a cosmetic scientist, product developer specialist, and trichologist. I got it correct? Guys, let's give, with a warm round of applause, let's welcome up on stage Zethu Nyali. Come on, guys, give it good energy, good energy, good energy. Woo!
Sanbonani. As Ubulelani Eshilo, this is Zethu Nyali, the founder and the CEO of Zee Organics Clinic, ZeeOrganics Academy, and ZeeOrganics Foundation. So, what do we do with ZeeOrganics? With ZeeOrganics, we manufacture our supplements, our vitamins, our organic hair care and skincare products. So, kuna bantu abane cancer, abantu diabetic, une BP, unama chronic illnesses, sidila ngalapho. Sikulapha uqala ngaphakathi because all the illnesses ziqala kwigut yakho. So thina asivele nje sikwenza ube muhle but sikulapha ngaphakathi then sibe sifumela ngaphandle sikusiza ukuthi ube neskin esihle ube nenwele ezinhle. So ZeeOrganics isiza ngalokho. And also we help ama businesses. Umuntu, let's say you are a 9-to-5 person. Njeba i-theme la sisho ukuthi abantu kumele bathini ube nama multiple streams of income. Sisiza ngalapho ukuthi if uno 9-to-5, we manufacture products for you. We develop any product oyifunayo. We develop that product for you, then when I just sell that product. Sisiza abantu ukuthi even though no 9-to-5 but maybe khona imali engena ecaleni because siyazi ukuthi izinto expensive, you cannot lie. Awukwazi ukuphila ngesalary eyodwa kwisikhathi samanje. So sijoba sisenza lokho ke last year we pitched yawina ZeeOrganics. And ngifuna ukunilanda nje kancane ukuthi the story behind the brand ukuthi yaqalelani ZeeOrganics yaqalela kuphi. So back in 2019, my sister was diagnosed with a cancer, and part of her treatment she had to go through chemotherapy and was experiencing hair loss. She had patches all over her body. Esikoleni babemhleka, uyazazi ke ingane, babemhleka then wagcina sithi no, uyayeka esikoleni because ingane ziyambulisha uyahleka and all that. So lokho kwangihlukumeza, ngahlala ke ngacabanga ukuthi yini engayenza as someone okuyi medical industry, ngingenzani ukuthi ngimsize. Then I started mixing ama herbs, ngenza ama formulas ukuthi ngimsize, ngamsiza ngempela usisi wami akwazi ukuthi asizakala. Then ngathi sengihleli nale product angiyidayisi ngihleli nje endlini. Ngangisazifundela isikole futhi lapha. And I'm like, zingaphi ingane ezibhulishwa ezikoleni, like bangaphi abantu. We do know that abantu besifazane isikhathi esiningi ukuthola ukuthi umuntu akasenayo confidence because inwele zakhe ziyahamba, unenkinga yeskin, so usene problem nje ukuthi aphumele ebantwini akasafeel confident. Siyazi ukuthi uba umuhle uzizugqoke kahle uba nale yanto uvafafunga ube confident, you know. So ngaqala lapho ngathi okay, since ngiyibona lenkinga yabantu because kubalekile ukuthi umuntu ungazufuna ukuyishintsha ibala usebenzisa makeup njalo. Use makeup just because you want to. Faka i-weave because uyafuna, not because unenkinga yeinwele isimo siyakuphoqa. So ngaqala lapho ukuthi ngiqale ZeeOrganics sisize abantu abanenkinga yeinwele, abantu abanenkinga yeskin, abantu futhi abanezigulo lezi yazi ukuthi okay mhlawumbe uthatha treatment uthatha ama-ARVs, uthatha i-treatment i-diabetes, but then leyo treatment inama-after effects. Usuzithola ukuthi mhlambe u-experience i-hair loss, i-skin sakho siya-reacta kwi-treatment oyidlayo. So sisiza lapho, sikline i-gut yakho, sikunika ama-supplements azokwazi ukuthi ahambiselane ne-treatment yakho. So, ngibude nje, ekuwineni kwami lana last year ngangizopitcha nganginenkinga ye-equipment. Sasingakwazi ukuthi simithe i-demand because abantu babewafuna ama-products. But then singenayo imali eyanele ukuthi sithenge i-equipment. Then ekuwineni kwami yangisiza lapho i-winning prize ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngithenge i-equipment. Then sasikwazi ukuthi simithe i-demand futhi sikwazi ukuthi si-scale up. So just before imali ingene, I think kwangisiza kakhulu futhi ukuthi ngibe lana eMlazi last year because ngathola i-client base entsha because as a business you'll never have ama-clients enough. Sihlezi sifuna imali njalo sifuna imali uyawathola ama-clients but then ufuna amanye. But enye trick engiyibonile ukuthi akubalekile ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi uhlezi ufuna ama-clients. Yeah, yile nto esifuna kwi-business, but what about lama clients onawo? Uyawa-check ubone ukuthi okay ba-satisfied, ba-happy, try and improve ama-products wakho because ukubona ukuthi mhlawumbe you have more than 250 clients efonini yakho, but laba babuya emane bebuya uyaba-checka yini ukuthi umane uwenza ama-service ukuthi okay ingabe ikhona into esingayi-improve kwi-product yethu. Make sure that bahlezi be-happy ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ungazibona ukuthi awudingi kahle kahle ukuthi uhlezi uphumela ngaphandle, but service lama-clients onawo manje uzokwazi ukuthi i-business yakho ibhume. So ekwazekeni-ke yasiza ukuthi i-pitching competition ngaziwe ngabantu, nginetwork, ngihlangane nabanye abantu abakwazile futhi ukuthi ngisize kwi-business yami ikhule. I was able to triple imali engangiyenza by that time. Sithenga equipment, saqasha abantu futhi. We have about 10 workers manje. Eqaleni ngangisebenza ngingedwa. I think by the time ngangipitcha because ngaza la ngizopitcha ngashiye office ngiyivalile. Ngangisebenza ngedwa by that time. So into ngishoyo ukuthi imali lena uzunga-check imali kuphela, but buka ezinye izinto ukuthi nje bulana izokusiza ngani. Even if awinile, but le platform le isebenzise. Ungayisebenzela ukuthi okay ubheka imali kuphela. Thina sesibheka imali sijaha imali. Nalapho uyazi ukuthi it's not your money wena unamali, but imali ye-business. Ukwazi ukuthi uyisebenzele zonke izidingo zakho. Kumele ucabange nje ukuthi if I do win ngizoyenzani le mali. Ungajahi futhi, but use it for i-business yakho. And network nabantu, you never know. Mhlawumbe umuntu uzombuka nje ungamthathela intweni, but lo muntu angakusiza. And wonke umuntu la is a potential client. And ayikho le yantu ukuthi everywhere uvuka nje bese isho ubulelana ukuthi uma uhamba ngaso sonke isikhathi yazi like ipitch ye-business yakho yabo, yazi ukuthi okay 1 no 2 ngisho umuntu angangivusa ngo-12 ngawazi ukuthi okay ngenza ini ZeeOrganics ngenza ini isisiza abantu, but then basiza abantu ngani. Nanokuthi okubalekile ukuthi maningi ama-businesses enza izinto zeyinwele nezinto ze-skin, but uhluke ngani wena? I-question lehle zisho ukuthi how are you different? Unique selling point yakho leyo. Ungasho ukuthi okay ama-clients kwathi because wonke umuntu uthi customer service, but wena kumele uyazi ukuthi what is your unique selling point? Yini ohluke ngayo ebantwini? And leyo nto ukwazi leyo nto njalo umaketha uhambise leyo nto phambili izokhipha ikwenza ukuthi i-business yakho ibe productive kakhulu futhi wenza ama-sales because ama-sales yona nto ebaluleke kakhulu more than anything. But make sure that uhlezi u-improve kwi-product yakho. I remember last year ngifika lana i-branding yami product yayi good but i-branding was bad, you know, and that was because ngangayithola i-designer right and also money wise kune-designer nje yami uNkosi, he's very good at designing. He's very good at designing. So if you need rebranding, he's very good at that. So ngahlangana naye, I was able to rebrand ye manje product yami. You know, ungadayisa amanzi la, but if you brand anything, you can sell anything. Once you brand kahle, you can sell anything. What is amanzi 100 rand just because of your branding. So please make sure that we are check branding yakho. Brand it so that abantu bamanje like sinabantu aba-influencers abathanda ukuthi social media babe busy, but thatha leyo nto bathanda ukushutha nezinto, bathanda izinto ezi-cute. So yenza leyo nto kwi-business yakho ukuthi uhehe abantu. Sometimes it's not about ukuthi okay i-product inga-good but if i-branding iyabheda akuzukusaniksi ukuthi i-product i-good. Zama ukuthi ulungise i-branding yakho, i-product yakho ibe good. And also entrepreneurs ngifuna ukusho ukuthi nonke nanipitchile nipitche kahle. I know ukuthi umula ngaphambili ama-nerves. I remember last year ngangiprepare shili pitch but ngakhohlwa konke ngakhohlwa konke but just speak your heart ukuthi when uyayazi business yakho akho sidinga ukuthi ungaze uprepare izinto eziningi be confident kuwena because akekho umuntu wazi business yakho edlula wena uyayiphila lento like every day yiba confident nje uzochaza about istory sakho ukuthi ngiqhamuke kuphi ngisuka kaphi because kubalekile istory sakho ukuthi usuka kephi and uya kephi inspire people because kunomuntu ohleli lapha mhlawumbe ofisayo ukuthi aqale ibusiness but uzozwa kuwena mhlawumbe ngestory sakho abe inspired kunabantu obona ukuthi mhlawumbe ama circumstances kuyabheda sinale belief yokuthi uma uzoqala ibusiness you need money awudingi imali ukuthi uqale ibusiness I remember ngaqala ibusiness yami with 500 rand ngasesikoleni 500 rand nesfas but wakwazi ukuthi ngihlanganisa ama herbs without imali like imvelo sinayo yonke into esiyidingayo but thina ke sesiprogrammed ukuthi okay kufuneka yonke into sihambe siyothenga like boni problem ungathi uhleli manje mhlawumbe la usuka khona uyabona umakhelwane hey kunale problem manje elokishini akekho umuntu oyisolvayo leyo problem and ungabe nako lokuthi okay there are so many people abenza lento wena uzohluka kulabo bantu ningadayisa amanzi nibeba u10 but wena uhluke uphumelele and okugcina nje ngifuna ukuvala I just want to say kuwo wonke osomabhizinisi abalana we do know that kule economy kaRamaphosa isimo siyantengantenga but please keep on pushing ningayeki like kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi uzofikelele kwindawo webhayo ubone ukuthi okay you never get enough as entrepreneur imali yangena fine but the more imali ingena even ne problems ziyakhuphuka kunjalo yabo so keep on pushing isimo sisazoba nzima kwi-economy yethu akuzibalula but qinisela kwinto yakho believela kuyona ungayeki futhi ukuthi hayi uthi ungayithatha as a side hustle because the problem yethu kulapho ibusiness yakho uyithatha as a side hustle kanti akusiyona into oyiphilayo ukuthi okay it's not about you awenzeli wena but wenzela laba bantu ngithi ngesinye isikhathi ku-business yami ngithi okay even though mhlambe mina i-product angiyithandi but ngiyayenza it's not about me it's about ama clients ingagood kumina but ithini client so futhi nama bad reviews enye into engiyibone kakhulu on social media ukuthi umuntu usoma business uzothi umuntu eliva i-review ashiya nje i-review ebhedayo usuphendula ngama emotions like irongo leyo nto like uma ungawazi ukuthi okay uzothi that's why kubalekile ukuthi ube nomuntu ozokhenglishela u-social media but we do know ukuthi sonke kumele siqale somewhere so uyazenzela yonke into uya-advertise wenza ama-products you make sales yabo yonke into yenziwa wena but make sure that if umuntu ukhuluma kambi awumphenduli okanye upholisa umoya nje because the minute uqala ukuthi uphendula umuntu usuyamlwisa umuntu leyo nto nje ishiya istain ku-business yakho so make sure that i-business yakho uyayihlonipha uma uhleli lana you represent i-business yakho uma sikubona edrobheni everything you do you represent i-business yakho like abantu abasangibizi njengoba okay Zethu ZeeOrganics abantu bekumemeza endleleni mabekubona it's your business make sure ukuthi uyayiphila i-business yakho for example awukwazi ukuthi ngidila nezinto ze-skin nezinto zeyinwele angikwazi ukuhlezi ngifake i-makeup ngihlezi ngifake i-weave but ngidayisa something else phila lento oyidayisayo ungathi udayisa ingubo but ubhizi uqoko Gucci leave i-brand yakho and uzophumelela thank you so much
let's give no don't go come Zee come please grab a mic so I have one question I want to ask you know entrepreneurship is tough yes. What has kept you going you know and then I think also just considering it's the end of the year and all of us feel depleted and tired right what has kept you going and how will you be energizing yourself for the new year okay, or planning or
okay so mina there's one thing that I always tell myself ukuthi siyazi ukuthi inzuka ayifani in business namhlanje ungangangena sales zero ulala ibank account ngu0 uvuke boom so nama 1000 ungalala no 1 million uvuke ekseni awusenalutho that's how business is so mina ngihlezi ngizitshela ukuthi it will not always be a bad day ngihlezi ngizitshela ngalo and enye into ehlezi ngikhumbuza ukuthi why did I start this business it wasn't for me that's one thing that encourages me ukuthi why ngaqala le business okay usisi wami wasekho but kunabantu ebasizayo it's not about me njengoba bengisho ukuthi it's about abantu asebethembele kule business lena there are clients abathanda ukuthi babe bahle balapheke because we're in the industry of servicing people so into engihlala nje ingibambela ukuthi why wami ukuthi why did I start Yona nje that keeps me going. And also, I think into ezongenza ukuthi ngihlale ngi-energized for next year. Ukuthi ngithathe break, we need to take breaks. Ungahlezi, yabo, ubusiness, thatha isikhathi uzinakekele. Umzimba osebenzayo uyanakekela and uzijabulise also. Uthatha imali encane nje, do something that makes you happy. Yabo, kunjalo kwibusiness, zijabulise uzokwazi ukuthi ube noqhuzu naye nafuqufuqa ukuthi okay, kumele ngiphushile for next year, make yourself happy. Kule festive season, thatha nje noma i-break ukuphumule, like spend time with your family, then uzobona next year ubuye usuzophusha. Take breaks.
Thank you so much, Zee. We've got, so please just stand in the center. Give us that beautiful Zee smile for the gentleman there. That beautiful Zee smile. We'll take a picture quickly. Well, thank you so much. Like I said, guys, go onto her Instagram page, follow her. She does amazing work. And we've got some nice gifts here that the team bought from some of the exhibitors that are here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.